guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'm here with a bridal makeup tutorial. This is a reception bridal makeup look. I've seen people are getting married during this time, and in case you do not want to go to any salon for doing your bridal makeup, this video is going to be really helpful for you. This is a perfect look for your reception, and I have created this look keeping in mind the reception look, but definitely you can wear this look in your wedding as well. Before starting, if you are new here, then please take a moment to subscribe to my channel, and if you are already a subscriber, then I thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. I have done my brows off camera to save some time using this Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Pomade, and I'm applying my MILANI Conceal on my eyelids to prime my eyelids for eyeshadows that is coming up next. I recently shared with you my updated eyebrow routine. If you are interested, I will link it down in the description bar below, so please do check that out. Now taking this Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder, I'm just setting the concealer so that it does not crease. For my eyes, first I'm taking Love Letter, which is a beautiful berry pink shade from my Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, and with this Morphe M153 brush, I am just applying it on my crease, actually slightly above my crease because I have hooded eyes. You can see my natural crease right across my eyelid, so I'm just kind of building up a new crease for myself, and I'm just slowly building it up to avoid any kind of patchiness. I'm taking the shade called Real Girl. It's a beautiful warm toned brown shade, and with this Morphe JS15 brush, I'm just blending out the edges of that previous shade just to create a soft gradient effect. Now with the same concealer, I'm just cutting my crease, and I'm going to do a double cut crease today. And for that, first I'm just placing the concealer wherever I want to place my cut crease, and this step is quite self-explanatory. You can see what I'm doing here. Now I'm just reapplying the concealer. I'm not reapplying the concealer all over on my eyelid. I'm just covering up that berry pink shade. That's it. Now taking a matte black eyeshadow, I am just applying it on the outer part of my eyelid, and first I'm just drawing a wing, and then I will create a half cut crease. You can see I have created a negative space, and I think this step is really self-explanatory. I don't know what to say, but you can see what I'm doing here. I'm just reapplying the black eyeshadow again on my outer V area. I'm just slowly tapping it to avoid any kind of patchiness, and the matte black eyeshadow is from Anastasia Soft Glam palette. Now I'm taking Venetian Red. It's again a berry pink color, and it has a satin finish, and I'm applying it on the middle part of my eyelid. Again, I'm going to do a double cut crease. That means I am not going to apply it on the border of that concealer. I am creating a negative space here. You can totally see. That's it. Now with a flat shader brush, again from Morphe, I'm just reapplying the concealer on my eyelid. Now I'm just blending out the edges using that matte black eyeshadow to create a gradient effect. Now I'm taking this shade called Primavera. It's a beautiful champagne gold color, and I'm applying it on the inner part of my eyelid, and I'm just again slowly building it up, and then I will be blending it out with the shade, with my lid shade. Now this is a very fun step. Taking my MILANI eyeliner, Stay Put eyeliner, I'm just applying it on the border of that black eyeshadow so that it looks a little more crisp. This step needs a little bit of practice, but it's totally worth it, you can see. Now I'm just drawing a regular wing using the same eyeliner. You can use any gel eyeliner that you have. Again, my Maybelline gel eyeliner is completely dry, and I cannot go to stores right now to get a new one. So until or unless I'm placing a new order, I have to manage with my liquid eyeliner. Now I'm just applying a glitter eyeliner on the negative space that I just created, and this glitter eyeliner I got it from Amazon. I will link it down in the description bar below, so please do check that out. Now I'm going to finish the base and then I will return to my eye makeup again. For that, first I'm taking this NYX Angel Veil primer and I'm just priming my face and neck. I already moisturized my face about half an hour ago. This is my favorite drugstore primer. It blurs out all your imperfections and it also makes your makeup long lasting. Now for color correcting, I'm using my L.A.Girl Pro Conceal Orange Color Corrector and I'm applying it wherever I have pigmentations, dark spots, acne spots and dark circles. It will help to neutralize all those darkness underneath, and my foundation, my concealer will not look grey in color. Now I'm just blending it out using the same damp beauty sponge from Wet n Wild. For my foundation, I'm going with this Lorac Pro Soft Focus Longwear foundation in the shade M10 and I'm just buffing it in using the same damp beauty sponge. I already shared with you a full in-depth review of this foundation. If you are interested, I will link it down in the description bar below, so please do check that out. It's a beautiful foundation, gives you full coverage, it's transfer proof, it's long lasting, it's waterproof, and also it just gives your face a very nice soft focus effect. The only negative side about this particular foundation is it does oxidize. If you can pass that, then you are going to enjoy this particular foundation. It's a bridal makeup, so cream contour is must. For that, I'm using my L.A.Girl Pro Conceal concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze, and I'm just contouring the parameters of my face, and I'm doing one section at a time because these concealers tend to settle down pretty quickly and then it becomes really hard to blend. And I'm just blending it out with my sponge as well as with my Real Techniques brush. Now taking whatever is left on the brush, I'm just contouring my forehead. And do not worry if my contour is looking a little bit harsh right now, I will blend it out later and it will all look perfect. Now I'm just doing my jawline to cut all those double chins, you know. I'm just blending it out again using the same brush, and I'm blending out my jawline contour in a downward direction. That way my face will look chiseled. I'm also contouring my nose, of course, and to blend out my nose contour, I'm using my finger. And I'm just tapping my finger, you can see. Now for highlighting and concealing, I'm using the same MILANI concealer and I'm applying it underneath my eyes, on the center of my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, cupid bow, chin, on the sides of my mouth. And again, I'm just blending it out using the same damp beauty sponge. This concealer is my favorite. It gives you full coverage, it is long lasting, it is crease proof. In short, if you are looking for a good drugstore concealer, just give it a shot. I prefer this concealer over my other high-end concealers, and that speaks a lot. That says you how much I love it. You can totally see the coverage here. I'm just bouncing my sponge all over on my face so that everything looks seamless. Now I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the shade 15 light again with the same damp sponge, and I'm setting my under eyes as well as my smile lines. I just like to set my under eyes and my smile lines with my beauty sponge. It just makes everything crease proof. Now I'm taking my MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NC40 and I'm just setting my entire face and neck. I'm going to finish my eye makeup. For that, first I'm tightlining my eyes using my Jordana Easy Eyeliner Pencil in the shade Jet Black. You can use any eyeliner, any kajal pencil that you have. This one is my personal favorite. Now I'm just smudging out my entire lower lash line using the matte black eyeshadow, and for that I'm using an angled brush from Pune store, and I'm just making it a little bit smokier. It will just give my eyes a bigger looking appearance. Now taking the berry pink shade called Love Letter, I'm just applying it on the border of the previous shade just to make the look put together. Now I'm just highlighting my brow bones as well as my inner corners using my OFRA Cosmetics Rodeo Drive highlighter, which I will be using on my face later on. And now I'm just curling my natural lashes with my Vega eyelash curler, and I'm applying a coat of mascara. This is my Maybelline Colossal Volume Express mascara. I will be using falsies off camera. For that I will be using my Kiss lashes in this style brass here. And here is the final eye look. I don't know, it was very different for me. I have never done such a look before, and I was quite happy with the eye look. Please let me know your thoughts about this look in the comment section down below. Now I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup. For that, first I'm taking this NARS Casino bronzer, and I'm just bronzing up my face to bring back some warmth, some sun-kissed glow to the face. And I'm just bronzing up wherever I applied that cream contour. For my blush, I'm taking this Colourpop Super Shock blush in the shade Growth Flat, and with this stippling brush from Wet n Wild, I'm just applying it on my cheeks, on my chin, as well as on my nose. These particular blushes are so long lasting. They are not supremely pigmented. You need to build it up quite a bit, but you know what? It's worth it because they just melt onto your skin. And again, as I mentioned, they are very long lasting because the formula is kind of cream to powder formula. Love it. Now I'm taking my Rodeo Drive highlighter again with this setting brush from Real Techniques. I'm just hitting the high points of my face like my cheekbones, my chin, cupid bow, down the bridge of my nose, as well as the sides of my forehead. Such a stunning highlighter it is. To set my entire makeup, I'm taking this Flower Beauty Seal the Deal Hydrating Setting Spray, and I'm just setting my entire makeup. For my lips, first I'm lining my lips with my Wet n Wild lip liner, and I forgot the shade. I will mention it in the description bar down below, so please do check that out. At first I thought it's a pink shade, but it was quite purple. And for my lipstick, I'm using my Maybelline Super Stay lipstick in the shade Founder. Such a gorgeous magenta pink shade, you guys, and the formula is amazing. It's long lasting and very comfortable on the lips. And that is pretty much it. And here is the final look. To be very honest, I was so happy after creating this look because the outcome was so beautiful and it was pretty new to me. And whenever I do a look, it just gives me that satisfaction. But today's look was like next level. And again, it's according to me. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below because your opinion matters the most for me. So please share your thoughts about this look in the comment section down below. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you did, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, then please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description bar down below, so please do check that out as well. So yes, see you soon in my next one. Till then, bye and take care.